I've not done anything up in the loft for a long time, and this has taken a bit of track cleaning, as I've not used it much probably in the last 2 years. But here I am playing trains just a little bit and running Marilyn, the 06 Hornby Railroad shunter, pushing a train back into the station siding, just getting it out of the way in effect. And interestingly enough, if it keeps working, here just coming through now is a single slip. Behind the water tower there's actually a double slip, but it's just coming in on the inline. And people say to me that you can't run slowly on insulated frog points. It does take a bit of cleaning, and the track does need to be good, flat, plenty of power feeds and that sort of thing. But here we have it running in. It'll probably give me trouble, or might give me trouble, as the loco comes to this crossover. It only just really, this length train gets onto the crossover, doesn't clear it properly before the brake van is about to shunt into the far end. But no, we've run round and here we come. We're coming up towards the stops. Slow down a bit more and we'll stop. The other thing that this one does offer is my DMU running. The layout itself was originally made for 2 people to drive it. One could shuffle the DMUs in and out of the 2 platforms of the station, while the other driver worked the sidings with freight. But it does work still, and it was always quite fun to drive, but by yourself it's not quite the same. But there you are, that's the way time moves on. And you will see along the back is storage. This was never meant to be scenic at that point. That was just simply where I tend to keep stuff safely, pending the outing of a layout. So anyway, there we are. It's a bit of a video, bit different for you today.